Spring is finally here, and today we're diving into a beautiful shop with me and decorate with me journey to refresh your home for spring 2026. If you love cozy, rustic charm mixed with light and airy seasonal touches, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support truly helps this channel grow and inspires more content like this. Let's step into a world of soft florals, warm textures, and refreshing spring energy together. Inspiration behind this spring look. This year's spring decor is all about embracing nature, simplicity, and calm living. I wanted to create a space that feels fresh but still grounded in rustic warmth, blending soft pastel tones with natural materials like wood, linen, and rattan. Think blooming branches, delicate florals, and subtle greenery that bring life into every corner. The goal is not just to decorate but to create a peaceful atmosphere where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy the beauty of the season every single day. Shop with me, finding spring treasures. Let's start with the fun part, shopping for spring decor. As I browse through stores, I'm looking for pieces that feel timeless yet seasonal, like ceramic vases, woven baskets, and soft floral arrangements. Neutral tones mixed with hints of blush, sage, and cream create a cohesive palette that works beautifully in any home. I also love finding affordable pieces that can be styled in multiple ways, making it easy to refresh your decor without overspending. It's all about thoughtful selection rather than buying too much. choosing the perfect florals. Florals are the heart of spring decor, and choosing the right ones can completely transform your space. This season, I'm drawn to soft tulips, wildflowers, and eucalyptus stems that look natural and effortless. Whether you prefer real or faux flowers, the key is arranging them loosely for that organic, relaxed look. Placing them in simple vases or rustic pitchers adds charm and keeps the overall aesthetic grounded. Florals instantly brighten a room and bring a sense of renewal that defines spring. Decorate with me, styling the living room. Now it's time to bring everything home and start decorating. In the living room, I'm swapping out heavier winter textiles for lighter fabrics like linen throws and soft cotton cushions. Adding a few floral arrangements on the coffee table and side tables creates a fresh focal point without overwhelming the space. I also like incorporating natural textures like wicker trays and wooden accents to maintain that cozy rustic vibe while still embracing the lightness of spring. Refreshing the dining area. The dining area is another perfect spot to celebrate the season. A simple table setting with a neutral table runner, fresh flowers, and minimal decor can make a big impact. I like using earthy ceramics and glass elements to keep things elegant yet approachable. Even small touches like napkins in soft pastel shades or a centerpiece with greenery can make everyday meals feel special and inviting, turning your dining space into a true spring-inspired haven. Adding cozy spring touches to small corners. Don't forget the little corners of your home, they're perfect for adding subtle seasonal charm. A small shelf, entryway table, or bedside area can be styled with a candle, a tiny vase of flowers, and a decorative object. These small vignettes help carry the spring theme throughout your home without requiring a full makeover. It's these thoughtful details that make your space feel curated, cozy, and beautifully in tune with the season. Balancing rustic charm with spring lightness. One of the most important parts of decorating for spring is finding balance. While rustic decor brings warmth and character, spring invites lightness and freshness. Mixing these two elements creates a harmonious look that feels both cozy and uplifting. Keep your base neutral and layer in seasonal accents gradually. This approach ensures your home feels refreshed without losing its personality, making it a place you'll love spending time in throughout the season. Conclusion: welcome spring into your home. I hope this shop with me and decorate with me journey has inspired you to refresh your home for spring 2026 with simple, beautiful touches. Remember, decorating doesn't have to be complicated, just a few thoughtful changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment telling me your favorite spring decor idea. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next cozy home inspiration video.